Alright, good morning. Back out at the flight line today. Pretty brisk 45-degree morning, about a 4-mile-an-hour breeze. Got a blast from the past here. It's my A-10. It's the older Freewing. Doesn't have flaps, and it only has 5-bladed fans. But so it is, I believe, a version 1, and I did glue the armaments on. I haven't flown this one in probably about a year, so let's take it out and see what it can do. Low rates on the ailerons and high on everything else. Field's not in the best shape this morning, but hopefully we'll be okay. I'm going to come over here and get the end of the field so that we can get a east-west pattern going. Alright, here we go, taking off. Full throttle, back pressure, we're up in the air, gears are coming up. Backing off a little on the throttle. High-speed pass here in front of us. This is flying on an old zippy 4S 4000 pack. I got the battery used. Actually, it came with the plane. The guy gave me 2 batteries with it when I bought it. And both of them are puffed pretty bad. I mean, we're talking, look like big balloons. But the internal resistance is not extremely out of line. So I've just been using them anyway. Probably not getting quite the thrust out of them that I would like to get, or the discharge dump rather. It's another one of those planes that I really like looking at. And it actually flies pretty good, so not really sure why I don't bring it out as often. Other than the retracts are not the best in the world. Speaking of which, there they just deployed. Let's see what we look like on a landing attempt. She settles in quick and fast with that big old battery pack. There it is, first flight of the day, Freewing A-10, 64mm size. Thanks for watching.